BringScript's interface is intentionally minimal. Just look at it. A prompt bar, 5 action buttons, and a status bar. Behind this clean interface is a powerful AI engine, waiting to translate your words into Illustrator scripts. Let's set it up. Click on Settings, and you'll see 2 AI options, Gemini and Open Router. If you choose Gemini, head to Google's AI developer site. Signing up takes just a moment, and they'll give you an API key. I'm copying mine, pasting it here, and it's connected. For Open Router, which I personally enjoy using, the process is similar. Their site has this wonderful collection of AI models, many with free tokens to start with. Now the fun part, picking your AI model. With Gemini, I like to use Google Flash. It has this beautiful balance of speed and detail. With Open Router, let's search for free models. Look at all these options. I'm drawn to this one. Let's select it and paste the model name here. Let's create something. Watch this. I'll type, add 8 pink circles evenly spaced in a radial grid with 100 pixels distance from the center. I'll select Object Builder as my assistant, since we're generating new artwork. See that? In seconds, BringScript generated and executed a custom script. 8 perfect circles, equally spaced in a perfect radial pattern. The color is just right, and the distance between each shape is exactly 100 pixels from the center. Now let's try something else. I'll select one of these circles and type. Scale this shape to 150% and duplicate it in a spiral. I'll choose Transform Assistant this time. Beautiful. The duplication follows a gentle spiral outward, and the scaled shape becomes the base of the new pattern. What I love about BringScript is how it handles complexity. Let's try this. Add a set of artboards with sizes matching standard device breakpoints: desktop, tablet, mobile. I'll select Artboard Manager for this. Look at that. 3 perfectly sized artboards created instantly, each named accordingly: desktop, tablet, and mobile. It's ready for responsive design right out of the box. If we ever create something we want to reuse, the Execute button runs our last script again. The Preview button lets us see and even edit scripts before running them. And if something goes wrong, the Fix Error button analyzes the issue and attempts to repair it automatically. What makes BringScript special isn't just what it does, it's what it enables you to do. Instead of spending time figuring out how to code Illustrator automation by hand, you can focus on describing what you want to see. The barrier between imagination and creation becomes thinner. Even as someone familiar with scripting, I find myself discovering new ideas, layouts, and methods through BringScript's interpretations of my prompts. And just like that, you've unlocked AI-powered scripting in Illustrator. Experiment, create, and see where it takes you. I'm Captain Avia from Pilotfront Labs. Until next time.